Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans in English. First, download the game from your App Store. Clash of Clans typically defaults to your device's language. If it is not in English, simply change your device's language settings to English before opening the app. You can also find an in-game language option within the settings menu, allowing you to switch to English easily. This ensures a smooth, understandable experience from the very beginning. Once in the game, you will see your village on the main screen. Look for your gold and elixir collectors, which continuously generate resources. These are vital for upgrading your buildings and training troops. The shop icon, usually on the bottom right, is where you can buy new structures. You can also engage with other players through the global or clan chat, all clearly labeled in English. Core gameplay involves building and upgrading your village. You will train a diverse army, including barbarians, archers, and giants, each with unique strengths. Use these troops to attack other players' villages, aiming to steal their resources and earn trophies. Joining a clan is highly recommended. It allows you to participate in exciting clan wars and receive valuable troop donations from your teammates. For advanced play, focus on strategic troop compositions to achieve 3-star victories in battles. Participate in seasonal challenges and events to earn exclusive rewards and resources. Always watch replays of your attacks and defenses. This is a fantastic way to learn from your mistakes and refine your strategies. Finally, engage with the vibrant global Clash of Clans community for tips, tricks, and camaraderie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.